Question number 10, this is a direct question. A 700 watt electric heater, power is given here, is used to heat mass of 1 kg of water without energy losses. The specific heat capacity of water, C, is known to you. The time taken to heat the water from 25 to 95 degrees centigrade, delta T, is also given to you. Okay, so therefore, how do you write? We know that energy required to heat an amount of water by a given delta T is given by E equal to MC delta T. Now, this is what is this energy. Now, if I divide by time on both the sides, what do I get here? This will be called as power here, right? So, what do I need here? I need the value of T here. So, T should be equal to MC delta T divided by P. Now, substitute all the values. What is M? M is 1. What is C? 4.2 into 10 cube. What is delta T? 95 minus 25. How much is it? Which is around 70 over here, right? 70 divided by P. What is P? 700. 700. So 10, 70 ones are 7 ones are. Here it is 10. So this should be 4.2 into 10 cube. 4.2 into 10 cube into 10 power minus 1, which should now be equal to 4.2 into 10 square, which should be 420. Right? What is this now? 420 seconds. What is being given here? Either in minutes, seconds, and so on. So I will convert this into minutes. So 420 divided by 60 minutes should be your answer, right? Which should be equal to 6 7s are 42. So this should be equal to 7 minutes. Thus the answer should be 7 minutes, which is C. Okay. Let us move on to the next.